There's a brand new app in town and it is sending shockwaves through the world right now. The app I'm talking about is Threads. So make sure you subscribe to information about this platform and some strategies you can use to gain more followers. Pretty much like Twitter, but has this old school feel-good Facebook vibe to it. You'll post, videos and photos and also GIFs. The best thing about Threads is just gives you a chance to have real-time conversations with people, and this allows you to build up trust and authority in your industry, or even if you just want to have fun, a place to share your experiences, your opinions, and allows your true personality to shine. You don't have to be, a big faker yourself, and you will attract the vibe you want to attract. At the moment, the app is really positive and has a fun feel, and it's a bit like your first date at the playground. But, they obviously want to make it a positive vibe. Before we dive in with some really easy Thread tips and strategies, here is a bit more info about the platform. First up, Threads can be up to 500 characters long. You can post photos, GIFs, and videos up to 5 minutes max. You can't edit Threads at the moment, but I'm sure you will be able to in time. As both platforms are interlinked with each other, if you delete your Threads account at the moment, your Instagram account will also get deleted, but you can hide your Threads account. There are no direct messages at the moment. You can easily reshare your Threads to Instagram. And one cool neat touch I really think is good is if a new person follows you on Thread, they will follow you on Instagram automatically, and vice versa. First tip and strategy is simply link one of your Thread posts to your Instagram and talk about how you are on the app and try and cross-platform your followers. Post as much as you can every 3 to 5 minutes if you want, because the more posts you do, the more eyeballs are going to get seen on your account. Share super relatable, super share, because every time you do this, other people are going to see that they have interacted with you, meaning you're getting your profile highlighted to other people's profiles. So an open-ended question is a question that encourages a thoughtful and detailed response. If you engage with large and celebrity accounts, this is also going to get huge attention onto your profile. And make sure you do the same strategy as I just given before, by replying and engaging with other people in the comments. Next one is go to your reply tab and reply to all the engagement you get on your posts. Once again, using the open-ended question strategy. This is really going to help you build connections and a community. And if people start really enjoying having conversations with you, they're going to do it time and time again. And this is going to really help push out your posts and make you become a really likable person. Now for some Threads practices that are going to help you not only think of content to post, but grow your audience. Reposting other people's threads, sharing relevant industry articles or links, buzzworthy stats, breaking industry news in your niche or your account's generally about, personal updates and questions like I've already mentioned before, niche topic quotes, niche related memes, and don't be afraid to show your sense of humor in there as well with your posts. Niche tips, if you're running a business, testimonials and recommendations. You could easily share quotes, for example, or reviews. Talk about your other channels. If you've got a YouTube channel, your TikTok, your Instagram. Talk about your new posts, for example, link them up, let people know. Offer support and do like question and answers type threads and so on. All of these will give you a schedule or a content theme you can use, so you can never be stuck for ideas. But this will keep your feed fresh and stimulating for your audience and attract lots of other people, all while creating lots of engagement, help building up trust, help building up authority, and help build up connections to allow you to grow and thrive on Threads. Now, you don't have to apply these tips and strategies at the moment if you just want to go on the platform and just enjoy it. But these will serve you well when you want to get to the next stage or level. Let me know if you're going to try these in the comments. Make sure you ask me any questions about Threads also, and I'll do my best to answer. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one.